Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time of watching my video, this is Reggie School of Fashion. In this video, I will be showing you how to construct a double-breasted blazer jacket with a double-sided vent and a short collar, starting with detailed introduction to the materials needed. If you haven't seen the first 3 episodes of this series, kindly check the description area below for the link to the videos. It's essential you watch those videos so that you won't get lost in the journey of this series. Do good by subscribing to this channel because there are more to learn on this platform. Also, I'm using this medium to appreciate you guys who has been watching ads on my videos. And for those of you who are yet to join the train, please don't skip those ads because that is one of the ways you can encourage me in creating more valuable content on this platform. My name is Bolaji and this is Reggie School of Fashion. So guys, now I will be showing you the materials needed in constructing a blazer jacket. So the first material I have here is the main fabric I will be using, which is here. So this is checkers. You can use checkers and you can go for plain. It all depends on your choice, but make sure the type of fabrics you'll be using is not stretching. Okay, so stretching fabric is not ideal for suit making. So once you have your fabric ready, the next material I will be showing you is the fusible interfacing. Fusible interfacing is very essential in suit making. Okay, so we have different type of fusible interfacing. So guys, the type of fusible interfacing I have with me here is different from hairstay. We have hairstay, we have collar stay, and we have cloth stay. So this is popularly called cloth stay because it is 100% cotton. Hair stay is like net, but this is cotton. So preferably you can go for this because of the quality. So it will help the blazer suit to last longer. Okay, so here I have about 2 yards. So this is 2 yards because the fabric also is 2 yards. So the yards of fabric you'll be using has to be the same with the yards of your fusible interfacing because I will be fusing both the front and the back panels. So I have 2 yards for this and I have 2 yards for this as well. Okay, so after that I will go to the padding of the blazer jacket. In padding a blazer jacket, we need about 3 different types of wording, but here I have one fusible wording. Fusible wording means wording that has gum on one side, so which we can fuse together with the fabric with the help of applying it. Okay, so this is a fusible one and this is a very light one. We have the thick one, we have the light one, and we have the one that is in between the thick and the light. So this is the light one. You can use the light one and you can use the one that is in between. So this will be used in fusing the chest area. It is also called chest wording. When you get to the fabric store, you can ask for chest wording. So chest wording has to be with gum on the other side. So apart from the chest wording, I will also be needing canvas. The canvas also will be used in padding the chest area. So the canvas will be used together with the wording. So I don't have the canvas here yet, but we'll be using it in the course of this tutorial. Another material I have here with me is the suit lining. As you can see, the color of the suit lining I'm using is contrasting to the main fabric. It all depends on your choice. You can use matching color for both fabrics and your lining, and you can use contrasting color in order to beautify the inside of your jacket. Okay, and because this is a checkers, so that is why I decided to go for the contrasting colors, okay, which I have part of the color with the colors I have on the main fabric. Okay, so also I have 2 yards for the lining as well. So I'm using 2 yards because this tutorial is for the jacket alone, it's not together with the trousers. So if you are making your jacket with trousers, you will use up to 3.5 yards or 4 yards. This is also depends on the size of the wearer, but the minimum you can use is 3 yards. 3 yards, 3.5 or 4 yards. Another materials I'll be talking about, which I don't have here with me yet, is the non-fusible wadding. As I said earlier, we'll be using different types of wadding in this tutorial. Okay, so as I said earlier, this is the fusible one. We'll be using another one that is not fusible, which means it has no gum with it. So that is the meaning of non-fusible wadding. We'll be making use of a non-fusible wadding in this tutorial as well, which will be applied on the collar area and on the sleeve armhole. I couldn't get the wadding in the market as at the time I'm shooting this video, but we'll be making use of this in the course of this video series. There's another materials needed in constructing a suit jacket. It is popularly called collarment, but it's scarce. If you couldn't get it, don't worry, I will show you how to go about it and what you can use to replace the collarment. Collarment is used in padding the under collar. So after that, I have another material here with me, which is the shoulder pad. It comes in pair, so you have to get the two together. It is sewed in pair. So the shoulder pad is to pad the shoulder area in order to give it that very beautiful look of a suit jacket. So after this, then I'm having here with me is the buttons. We have 2 different sizes of buttons here. The bigger size is going for the front panel, while the smaller size is going to be for the sleeve. But make sure you choose the same design for the 2 sizes. You can see what I'm having here. This and this are the same design, but this is smaller than this. Okay, so this is going to be for the front panel, while this is going to be for the sleeve. Okay, so after the buttons, I have my thread here with me. You can see I'm using a cone thread. If you cannot get this, you can use the smaller size, but make sure it is a matching thread and the thread that will not give you issue when you are constructing your suit jacket. Also, make sure you have a very good scissors, the scissors that will cut your fabric neatly. It will not be rough on edges. One side will not be longer than the other. So as a fashion designer, it is essential you have a very good scissors. And in order to make your scissors last longer for you, make sure you have a separate scissors for cutting your fabrics, then another separate scissors for cutting paper, wadding, lining and every other materials you are working with. So this will help your scissors to last longer. So guys, thank you for being part of this episode. There are more to learn on this video series, as I will be back in the next episode to continue from where we stopped. But till then, always do remember, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs.